Recording?
Yes.
What's up, YouTube? And today we're getting a PC. I'm gonna do small clips for memories.
I know.
So today we're picking up the Pro B7 DR4. You know, cause we're going a little budget build, $100. You know, we're getting the iPhone 12K. You know, like a little budget. You know, nothing much. But you know, we're going with an MSI. You know, with the MSI, it should be 50. It should, and if it's not, I'm gonna get mad. And now the next we're gonna have to get the RAM, the SSD, the CPU, the GPU. And that's it. And then he's coming in a week, sadly, because you know I was kind of dumb and ordered it. Yo, there's Star Wars here. And yeah, so basically we'll be right back when we get the other stuff, guys.
Don't you have to get thermal paste?
Oh yeah, we'll do it at the end. Okay, so what next? I'm pretty sure it's that one right there.
Which one?
That one. The one at the bottom, the 69. The one that's on sale for $69. Damn, look, it used to be $150.
It's actually about
Yo, so we're getting the 460 guys for the fans, you know, and then we got the SSD locked in, and that's pretty much it we need for the PC. This is $150.
wireless.
If you go to Micro Center, it's only $70. Yo, okay, oh, you're recording? Okay, guys, so basically we just got this. It look 5,000 read. Oh yeah, but basically we got the GPU, the CPU, and the RAM all up in front, and now we're just trying to look for the thermal paste. And yeah, basically, and then we basically have a full, complete PC. Let's hope and pray that I did all my taxes and everything, like, you know, right? Because I'm literally gonna kill my wallet, like, guys, like, I'm literally gonna die. This is gonna bring me to $30 if I do it exactly right, with nothing in my savings.
Wait, so who's gonna pay for the food afterwards?
Me, I have $30. So guys, and then we'll also show it. Oh, here, what does it say?
No, we're not.
And then we're also gonna show our food too, cause you know we gotta see what we're gonna eat. Oh my God!
Fortnite Battle Pass.
Okay, so we're looking for the thermal paste. We have no idea where it's at.
I think it should be.
I think it's to the more to the left. Oh, there's fans and stuff too. All right, I'll be right back, guys.
Wait,
Until we find out. We dripped in that thing. Oh! Oh, drift! 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 Oh, yo!
So this is Darwin's fit. Kind of little shit.
Yeah. Girl!
Shit.
Wait, what are these mics?
Look, it's the stuff. Isn't this like, you know?
Are these mics? Oh, look, I want...
Look, this is my mic.
I want this one. I want this one. I heard it's really good. Yeah, switch colors.
His mic is there. That's his mic right
That's
here.
mine. It's on sale
That's
again.
his mic.
Oh, it's on sale for $10. Alright, guys.
This is actually no. This isn't my mic. My bad. My mic's this.
Oh, wait, I want that one. I heard this one's really good.
Oh yeah.
This one I heard is actually I heard.
Girl, this is terrible thing. You see?
I don't think it's decent.
Jumpers, wires. What are these games?
Yeah, why stuff?
No, isn't this? What is this?
I don't know. We're in the.
I think these are. I think these are like I don't know. Told you.
I think it's right there.
Where?
Wait, watch out. I think it's right here. Oh, what the? Look at the cheapest one. Or should we? Should we cheap out? Or should we get this one?
How much? $8.
Yeah. Yo, we got GPU. We got everything. I forgot about the thermal paste, and I forgot about how like they go paying.
Wait. Wait, I don't know if you're a Bank of America. I was like, open your phone and see what notification it got you.
Wait. No.
And it's back, right?
Yeah, put it in the back. Hold this. Oh shit, hold that. Make sure you hold that. Do not lose.
Hey, let me put this away. Yeah, look at this receipt. Long as hell.
And you got the SSD on sale. Yo, we got WSSD. I'm gonna play Fortnite all day long.
So you gonna order
Alright,
your
and so
last
now
part.
we're gonna literally say all my information.
I'm talking about cancel.
Okay,
Yeah,
guys.
now
and
we
so
gonna order it.
today we're gonna be ordering the last part. We're gonna do the Virtual V5 CPU with 5 heated pins. You know, known as one of the best. You know, $25, and then I'm gonna be left with $25 in my bank account. You know, a little broke, but it's fine. You know, we gonna make it back with streaming, and you know, one day. So we'll order right now.
Insert your stream.
I don't know. Oh, Dawnita on Twitch, and I don't know on YouTube. I think it's like Darwin. So yeah, go subscribe. Go to my Twitch, please. Come broke. Please donate, please. And that's pretty much it. Okay, I'm gonna buy it, and then I'm gonna show you the food. Huh? Wait, what? Okay, naughty. Oh yeah, my PayPal. Or just tell me. Wait, what? Yo guys, so it's been I think 3 hours, and we just got food just now. Literally after saying we were so hungry 2 hours ago. But yo, we eat some good. Yo, if y'all trying to get some good burritos, bro, go to Cordova. I finally had some energy in me. I was literally recording that video with like no food in me. I've been eating since like 9, but now it's 5. So you know what it is. You know the vibes. You know, oh, we got Dunkin'. So yo, if you don't drink Dunkin', like yo, get out, bro. Like if you don't drink Dunkin' and you could throw you missing out. But it's basically it. That's really it for the video. You know, my little routine of getting my PC. Sorry there wasn't much. I wasn't planning on recording, but then my girl told me to record. So you know, this is just like, you know, yeah. If this does get posted, y'all lucky. I'm gonna get back to enjoying my meal, watching a nice Netflix show with my girl. So yeah, you know, if you want to, you know, subscribe, please open my Twitch. You know, I'm gonna probably stream like Fortnite, Valorant, Minecraft, you know, those simple ass games. And then I'll try to do, I do a 460 Ti review. I'll do like PC review and see, cause I know some of y'all, because I don't see that many reviews for my parts, like the i5 12K and the 460 Ti. So I'll drop one of those videos about like reviews and everything like that. You know what I'm saying? All right, so. Yeah, I don't really know how to end the video. I've never done this. So I'll see y'all in the next one, I guess. I'm enjoying my food now. Bye, guys.